part two. She was, you know,
Nah, it's a fucking movie, bro. Niggas thought that I was gonna sit here and play. Like, this is We Go Hard. Like, this is like second home. I had to show out with Piffy, man.
Definitely was a fire one.
It definitely was.
The ladies was all getting crazy.
Yeah, the ladies was cooking, bro.
But you held it out real strong for the ladies.
Yeah, definitely. It was dope. Like, there was a lot of, I noticed a lot of dudes was trying to, like, front on the ladies. The ladies was really cooking. Like, shout outs to all the ladies that She Go Hard. Like, y'all was fucking cooking. Like, that's how you fucking rap.
Maybe outside.
Yeah, I'm outside.
It was super hot in there. I ain't gonna hold you up.
It was fucking blazing in there. All I had was water. My ice cup, like, turned to water.
You spitting that hot? Ice cups and water? Hello? What are they talking about? Fendi with a body. What they
Like, listen, like, the jokes is cool and shit. Like, I've heard so many Fendi flips, but like, it was a different little approach or whatever you like. Piffy really did his thing, son.
Yeah, shout out to the shirt and all that.
But I showed these levels. Like, my pen is like never discriminating with none of these niggas, man. It don't matter who you got in front of you. Later, D-Sis. Later, Troy.
Social media is for the people.
Huh?
With social media.
Oh yes, that's a Fendi, DASSA Fendi on all social media platforms. Follow me, tag me, all that.
No, I was telling them to tap in.
Yeah, tap in, bro, tap in. I got a whole bunch of shit popping off before the year's over, like, it should be late. Oh, and watch Fendi versus Jada Ray, that shit is fire. Shout out to Remy Ma, Rome 23. It's a fucking movie, like, it's lit. I'm about to smoke.
Be outside.